Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change white to any color in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this video we'll be choosing this image right here. We will learn how to change the color of the shirt from white to any color and even black. You may be thinking that we can change the color of the dress by using hue saturation, but in case of white, it is not possible. Just see here. Even if you increase or decrease, white will remain as it is. And even if you click colorize, it won't make much difference. So the idea of hue and saturation is useless. So we'll just delete this layer over here. So what we want to do is, first of all, select the quick selection tool, or you could also use the pen tool if you prefer it. But I'm going to choose the quick selection tool and quickly choose the search. Even if you mess this up, you can easily zoom into it and click Alt. And if we click Alt, a little minus will appear, which means we can subtract our selection. Just click and it will subtract. And we'll do the same over here. We can decrease or increase the brush size by clicking the bracket keys on the keyboard. We'll decrease it and add this part to our selection. And again, as the finger is also selected, we'll click Alt and deselect our selection. You can take your time in selecting it. And once you have completed your selection, with the selection active, you will choose a solid color layer. And you can choose any color you want. For this, I'll choose a red color. I'll choose this color right here and click OK. Then what we're going to do is set the blend mode to multiply. There. It is looking much more realistic than it was before. And to make it even more good, we will choose curves. And to make changes to it, we will have to copy this mask to the curves as well. And if we make a change to the mask over here, we will have to make the mask over here as well. And depending upon the number of curves adjustment layer you create, you have to copy the mask again and again. Instead of doing that, why not create a group out of it? So let's select both of these and click Ctrl G and it will create a group. We will open the group and we will make this mask of the group and not only of the color fill. So to do that, we will click on the mask and drag it to the group. By doing this, the mask will be of group and it will make things easier for us. Now to make adjustment to the curves, we will double click on the left side of the curves and there we can change the curves. And now let's make these shadow right here a little bit darker, and to do that we will click on this button and choose this part. Then we can make it a little bit darker. I think this is good. And to make the lighter areas more lighter, we will again choose over here. We will choose over here and move the curves a little bit up. By doing this, you can make the shadows darker while making the shirt lighter. That will help a lot in editing. So once we've done that, we will hide the curves property. And now we'll have to work on this part as it was not selected during the selection process. And to do that, we'll choose the brush tool and select our group. We can decrease the brush size by clicking the bracket keys like this. And by keeping the foreground color to white, you can simply paint over it. You can zoom in, decrease the brush size, and do it. Take your time while doing this. Let's increase the opacity. And erase the mask, choose the foreground color to black, and you can simply paint over it. Right here, as you can see, the button is also colored. You will again choose the foreground color to black and just color it back to normal. And just like that, you can turn white into any color. Now let's take an example. We can also choose black, but not extremely black, so we'll choose a little bit gray color. This seems to be realistic, so we'll hit OK. We'll zoom in and repair these areas where there are still white lines. So we'll again choose group and we'll color over here. It may take quite a while, but be patient and do it. And with that, you will have successfully changed white to any color and even black. So that is all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.